Amatunia o le Vaiaso o le Ngangana i Samoa. O loingo o Deniko Kupilani.
O loingo o Mali Toleafoa.
Mawale nei o le awhai masui o le kulupu Samoa e momolio atu le tatou pukalami mo le nei asu.
Welcome and talofa. My name is Mali Toleafoa.
And I am Deniko Kupilani.
Welcome to all our families, friends, visitors, and especially our special guest, Reverend Moa Strickson Poa. Before we begin, we will start with our opening hymn for Awhitai Eliatio, and followed by our prayer led by Reverend Moa Strickson Poa.
Pese lotu Awhitai Eliatua.
Awhitai Eliatua. So he'll do it in bad English. Atua bless our gathering. Samoa, our people, our family, our awesome school. To all our families, to all our nanas and papas, to all the little ones that we want to do well in their future. Atua bless our awesome school, our teachers, and our fabulous, beautiful students. Atua has blessed us. Amen. Amen.